The evolution of luxury cars, where performance meets elegance. Luxury cars have long been symbols of exclusivity, power, and sophistication. Over the decades, these vehicles have evolved from traditional, high-end sedans to sophisticated machines boasting cutting-edge technology, world-class performance, and exquisite craftsmanship. Today's luxury cars are a perfect blend of engineering and aesthetic appeal, offering a driving experience that is unmatched. This article takes a closer look at the evolution of luxury cars, the most prestigious models, and the innovations that are shaping the future of automotive excellence. The definition of a luxury car. A luxury car is not just a vehicle, it's an experience. Luxury cars are built with the highest standards of quality and performance. Here's what sets them apart. 1. Performance. Luxury cars are engineered to provide a high level of driving performance. They come equipped with powerful engines, whether it's a V6, V8, or even electric powertrains, offering exceptional speed, smooth acceleration, and dynamic handling. 2. Advanced technology. Luxury cars are fitted with the latest technology to enhance the driving experience. Features like adaptive cruise control, driver assistance systems, infotainment systems, and autonomous driving capabilities are standard in many modern luxury cars. 3. Design. The aesthetic appeal of luxury cars is undeniable. From sleek lines to carefully designed interiors, luxury vehicles prioritize style and comfort. Materials like fine leather, polished wood, carbon fiber, and high-grade metals are used to ensure a premium feel throughout the car. 4. Comfort. Luxury vehicles are designed with comfort in mind. With ergonomically designed seats, adjustable suspension systems, noise-canceling cabins, and advanced climate control systems, these cars provide a smooth and relaxing driving experience. The top luxury car brands. Several prestigious brands have made a name for themselves in the luxury car market. These manufacturers represent the epitome of craftsmanship, technology, and exclusivity. Rolls-Royce. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is the ultimate in luxury, offering a level of refinement that is unparalleled. The car features handcrafted interiors, a V12 engine, and the trademark Spirit of Ecstasy on the hood. The ride quality is smooth as silk, making it the ultimate symbol of status and class. Bentley. Bentley is known for its grand tourers that combine luxury with performance. The Bentley Continental GT is a prime example, featuring a powerful W12 engine, sumptuous leather seats, and top-tier technology. Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz offers a wide range of luxury vehicles, from the S-Class, renowned for its luxury features and innovative technology, to the AMG GT, a high-performance sports car that combines speed with elegance. BMW. BMW's 7 Series and i8 are at the forefront of luxury and innovation. The 7 Series offers high-end tech, performance, and comfort, while the i8 showcases BMW's commitment to electric performance and futuristic design. Aston Martin. Aston Martin represents British luxury and performance. The Aston Martin DB11 offers a perfect combination of power, style, and luxury, designed for those who want to enjoy both thrilling performance and refined elegance. Tesla. Tesla has revolutionized the electric vehicle market, and its Model S Plaid is a perfect example of combining performance with luxury. Tesla's cars offer long-range battery life, cutting-edge tech, and unparalleled acceleration. What makes luxury cars special? There are several defining features of luxury cars that set them apart from regular vehicles. 1. Engine performance. Luxury cars often come with the most powerful engines, providing lightning-fast acceleration and effortless top speeds. Whether it's a traditional combustion engine or an electric one, the powertrain is designed for instant torque and seamless acceleration. 2. Handling and ride quality. Luxury cars are built to offer a smooth ride with exceptional handling. They are equipped with advanced suspension systems that allow for dynamic handling while maintaining comfort. 3. Customization. Most luxury car manufacturers offer extensive customization options, allowing owners to choose interior materials, exterior finishes, and even special features. From custom leather stitching to personalized color schemes, these cars are tailored to individual tastes. 4. Advanced technology. The latest technology is incorporated into luxury cars to improve both safety and driving convenience. Features like automated parking, lane-keeping assistance, night vision cameras, and advanced infotainment systems are often standard. 5. Exclusivity. One of the main attractions of luxury cars is the sense of exclusivity. These cars are often produced in limited numbers, ensuring that only a select few can own them. Many luxury car brands also offer personalized services and unique features to enhance their exclusivity. The future of luxury cars. As technology continues to advance, the future of luxury cars looks bright. Here are some trends shaping the future. 1. Electric powertrains. Many luxury car brands are shifting to electric powertrains to meet growing environmental concerns. Models, like the Porsche Taycan, Tesla Model S Plaid, and Audi e-tron GT, are setting the standard for luxury electric vehicles. These cars combine sustainability with unmatched performance. 2. Autonomous driving. Autonomous driving technology is advancing rapidly, and many luxury cars are incorporating self-driving features, such as adaptive cruise control, automatic parking, and driver assistance systems. The future may see fully autonomous vehicles on the roads. 3. Sustainable materials. With increasing emphasis on environmental impact, many luxury car manufacturers are turning to sustainable materials. These may include recycled fabrics, eco-friendly leather alternatives, and lightweight composites. 4. AI and smart features. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are expected to play a bigger role in the future of luxury cars. These systems will be able to predict driver preferences, optimize energy consumption, and offer more intuitive interfaces for navigation, entertainment, and comfort. The experience of driving a luxury car. Driving a luxury car isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's about experiencing the ultimate comfort and performance on the road. The experience includes 1. Exhilarating performance. Luxury cars are designed to make every drive feel effortless and exciting. Whether it's the smooth acceleration of a BMW 7 Series or the sheer power of a Bentley Continental GT, every moment behind the wheel is exhilarating. 2. Comfortable interiors. Inside, the focus is on creating a sanctuary of comfort. Leather seats, advanced climate control, high-end sound systems, and luxurious finishes ensure that every drive is a pleasure. 3. World-class technology. From touchscreen displays to voice-activated controls, the technology in luxury cars is second to none. The infotainment systems offer the latest navigation tools, media options, and connectivity features for a seamless driving experience. References. 1. Rolls-Royce. The Spirit of Elegance and Performance. https://www.rollsroycemotorcars.com. 2. Mercedes-Benz. Luxury meets innovation. https://www.mercedes-benz.com. 3. Tesla. The future of luxury electric cars. https://www.tesla.com.